go and see what's going on here. I think we've come upon like our first learner. Is it Mr. Llewellyn or Mr. Llewellyn? Hey Tommy, how are you?
I'm good.
What year are you in?
Year 5A.
Year 5A. And so, what are you working on right now?
I'm doing Genius Time. I'm doing my Monday lesson because I had no internet.
And look, I think he has on trousers, and there are no shorts in virtual learning.
Sorry, guys.
Hi, Mr. McCutcheon is here working. It's just like being in the pool. There's still music. It doesn't matter if we're virtual learning or learning in person. Here, he still has his speaker. Some things are still the same. Sir, how is virtual learning going for you?
It's going great. It's just fantastic to see everybody on board and really engaged and, getting on with the lessons. So in a way we miss everybody, but it's so good to have that connection.
And sir, like you are teachers, are also helping with other classes. So what other classes are you helping with?
Oh, right now I'm actually going into my science class, which is about to start in 10 minutes, in 15 minutes. And yes, I will be helping anybody who needs any questions answered, anybody who's lost, finding something. I'm the person to go to whilst the lesson is taking place.
Are you making explosions during science?
Explosions
of knowledge?
Yes. Lots of that. We're putting on our thinking caps and we are getting involved as much as possible and just making sure that we got our A game on.
Sir, have you had any challenges this week? This first week of learning?
I think the biggest challenge has been just the network connectivity and just getting in touch in the middle of lessons, sometimes losing network, but the students have been very flexible. They've been helping one another. They've been kind to each other. It's just been amazing to see that even when that connectivity is gone, we're still together and still getting stuff done.
So students shouldn't worry if maybe their internet goes down a time or two, because I think we're all...
It is happening everywhere. Everywhere. Yes.
Okay. What has been the best thing in your chew this week?
Prodigy.
And what is Prodigy about?
It's a math game where you have to fight either wizards or bad animals.
And you are winning, or how are you doing with the game?
I'm doing good.
We're still practicing and getting better, yeah?
Yeah.
There's room for improvement?
Yeah.
And you're using your tablet for your work?
Yeah.
And how do you like using your tablet every day? Do you like using the tablet, or would you rather be in the classroom?
I'd rather use my laptop.
Oh, you'd rather use your laptop. You have so many devices that you can choose from. But do you think Miss Hoptu, wouldn't you rather have Miss Hoptu in person? Okay. I think that's going to make Miss Hoptu sad. But you at least get to talk to her every day, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you normally talk to Miss Hoptu about?
Work.
Work? Uh-huh. And what is she encouraging?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we have this other gentleman who maybe hasn't combed his hair this morning, and that's why I put on a baseball cap. Can you tell us your name and what your year group is?
My name is Jeremy and I'm in year 6.
And how have you found this first week of virtual learning?
I found it surprisingly easy with my work. Like, I've been able to do the work with ease. Like, if I understood what I was meant to do when other people were really struggling.
So have you had an opportunity to maybe be a leader and to show your leadership skills and helping like others who are struggling?
Yeah, I helped others sometimes on the chart.
And if you were to get a leadership star this week, what would it be for?
I think it would be for synergizing, maybe.
For synergizing? Okay, this is good. What's your strategy for going into week 2?
To just keep my head down and focus a little bit more.
Okay. And here is Charlie, the extra classmate. He hasn't paid fees, but he participates every day. And maybe you have a dog at your house too that's taking lessons.
First week was so easy. Everything was so easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
Internet,
there was a
classroom chats,
I
lunch
know.
breaks.
We didn't know.
Tea breaks.
We didn't know what time was break. I had to remind everybody. Yeah, it's time for your break. Yeah, not you. We had a few issues with Edmundo. Isn't it, Eli? Is it Edmundo? Edmundo. And yeah, it was challenging, but right now I think we've learned all we have to learn. We know what we need to do. We know when we are supposed to wake up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, everything is now sweet and we are ready for week 2. When is week 2? Tomorrow?
No!
Next week.
And so, what advice would you give other parents who are doing virtual learning?
Now, I think there's a lot of patience that is needed. We didn't know. No, don't open. Microsoft Teams and Edmundo, they are not the apps that we are used to using every day. So there's need to understand how they work and how to check what they're doing if they're doing the right things. So yeah, a lot of patience is needed. And I think honesty from the guys themselves to see that they're actually doing what they're supposed to be doing, right?
Yeah.
What have you learned about yourself as a parent?
That I'm not very patient, that I am not, I don't listen quite as I should be listening, because they are also struggling to understand these things. And if we don't simplify everything to their level, we will miss out on a lot.
Okay, so parents, don't feel bad if you felt your wire was a little short this week. We still have time to grow and to learn. And I think that other parents are feeling the same way that you're feeling. So joys, highs, lows, and everything in between. But together, we'll get it done. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Good luck.
Bye.
Good luck. Yeah.
Good luck. We want you to find this time one that's enjoyable, that's fun, and that's challenging your mind. As you're home, as you're finding your perfect or ideal virtual learning space, we want you to exercise your mind, your body, your spirit, and your heart. Because at Turi, we're not just growing our minds, we're not just having an exceptional educational experience, but we're growing like our hearts, our souls, and we're making sure that our bodies are fit. Take time to step away from the screen. Take time to check on someone in your home. Take time to check on someone in your community.